Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave YouTube channel. Today is May the 1st and the chart of the day for today's Netflix 45 minutes time frame here. Now Netflix managed to actually break to new all-time high, guys. So it has already overcome the Trump tariff war, right? And I think, yeah, it should be, because it's a streaming service, it's basically not really impacted by any of the tariff war. Okay, so it has broken to new all-time high again. So this is the previous high before the tariff war here, right? And this is the sell-off, which is around 20% sell-off, and then now breaking to new high again. So we have already started or at least confirmed the next leg up. Now this 20% sell-off here is either already, so you can think of it as a pick one with one and pick with two from here, and then we start with three higher, or this new high is basically still part of the same cycle from 2022. So there are two options to look at it, but regardless, we already do break to new all-time high, and in the shorter cycle, which is what we are concerned with, we're going to be looking at this rally here. Now if you take a look at the shorter cycle of that rally, this is the rally, so we are calling this as a 1-2-1-2, right? 1-2-1-2, and then now within with 3 of 3, and it can continue to see further upside still, right? At least in the shorter cycle, we are favoring more upside before we finish this 5 ways up, which start from the low point of the tariff war here, right? So this rally is still ongoing now as a 5 waves, and any kind of pullback in the shorter cycle at least is going to continue to find support for now in 3 or 7 swing and continue to extend to the upside. So in terms of the possible sort of alternates and so on, then we could potentially be doing a bit bigger pullback. Instead of wave 4 in black, could be wave 4 in red or wave 4 in blue. But overall, I think the cycle still remains in play, the 5 ways up. So therefore, we continue to like the long side, and if we can identify a clear 3 ways from the peak, we like the long side for the next leg up to finish the 5 ways up. So we can have a few more high here before we finish the 5 waves. Then after that, we will have to wait and see. At the least, after the 5 ways, this rally is finished, at the least we should be getting a 3 ways pullback like this at minimum, right? And the worst case scenario, this new high is part of the same cycle from the 2022. Then the pullback is going to be a lot more significant to correct this entire rally in the worst case scenario. But again, at the least 3 ways pullback after ending this 5 ways up from the low in the post tariff, right? And then shorter cycle still should look for more upside before this 5 ways rally here is complete. Okay, so for the updates, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. We cover other stocks, indices, ETF as well as Forex, commodities, and we have 14 days trial. The link is in the description of the video. See you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.